How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x803F800A. 1. Verify and improve your internet connection, if possible. 2. Relog into Microsoft Store via an active Microsoft account. 3. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. 4. Repair and reset Microsoft Store App 5. Reinstall Microsoft Store. Commands are: get apps package allow Windows Store, remove apps package, restart your computer, get apps package allow Windows Store. For each add apps package, disable development mode, register $__install location \apps manifest.xml.